The app chain versus sort of broader layer one debate has been ongoing, since the dawn of sort of crypto applications.
Not just the last year or two.
Yeah. So, Cosmos was an example of one that like really attempted this thesis, didn't really work at scale. I'd say the best case study for people to look at when they're thinking about that sort of single app application chain versus a general purpose ecosystem of applications is, what are the largest and most successful projects in the history of crypto today? I mean, it's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, we've argued Solana, BNB. It's the largest. Turns out that BNB, Solana, and Ethereum are all general purpose layer ones, because once you have that ecosystem of applications, they really reinforce each other and you build the deepest network effect. You don't get as deep of a network effect if it's just one application versus, 10 of those applications all on the exact same chain, sharing state, sharing users, sharing assets, and then flow between the two. It's almost like an economy. Like the United States, China tend to be the largest economies because so many large countries or large companies are all based out of the United States. They have an easy way of distributing value through the same currency, the same sort of set of regulations and laws. When you split something off, we could use Singapore as an example. Singapore has less of those companies. It has its own currency. It has, there's additional complexity when you try to move between those countries, right? In the form of capital controls and laws, just like there's complexity when you try to move from Solana to Ethereum. It's just harder for a single sort of application or company's state or a chain to scale to the same size as one where that whole ecosystem works together.